You searched for how to buy shares of SilverGate Capital. SilverGate Capital provides banking and payment infrastructure for digital currency clients and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SICPQ, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will normally verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to make purchases. Open the platform search and type the ticker SICPQ to locate the listing. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ entry for SilverGate Capital. On the asset page, you'll find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm it is the right stock. To invest, click the Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading resumes. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be completed. Your position will appear in your portfolio after the order is processed. For the link to eToro and more information, check the description below.